In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on GetResponse. We'll start right from your GetResponse admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look along the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Tools and click on it. A large mega menu will drop down. From there, choose Forms and Pop-ups. On the next screen, click the Create button. A pop-up window will appear asking how you want your form to appear, either in a pop-up or embedded in a page. Both options work the same way, but for this walkthrough, we're going to continue with the inner pop-up option so you can see how that setup looks. After choosing the pop-up option, you'll be taken to the Templates page. Here, GetResponse shows you a variety of pre-designed form layouts. On the left-hand side, you'll see filters that let you narrow down the templates by style or purpose. This is helpful if you already have a specific look in mind. If you prefer something very simple, or you want to design everything from scratch, click on the Blank Templates tab at the top. That will give you a clean starting point. Once you've decided on the template you want, hover your mouse over the template card. A Use Template button will appear. Click that, and the template will open in the form editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your form in the center or slightly to the left of the screen. This is where you can customize the content and layout. When you click on any block or element in the preview, its specific editing options will show up in the panel on the right. For text elements, you can edit the wording directly in the preview area, just like typing into a text box. To rearrange elements, hover over the item you want to move until you see a four-way arrow icon. Click and drag the element to the new position and release it when you see a plus icon appear where you want it to land. To remove an element you don't need, hover over it and click the trash icon that appears. If you want to add new elements, such as extra text, images, or fields, look to the panel on the far right, click the plus icon, and choose from the available element types. When you're happy with the design and layout of your form, go to the top right corner of the editor and either click Save and Exit or Next. The page will reload and take you to the settings where you can set up your audience, configure e-commerce targeting if you need it, and define your triggers and timing, such as when and how often the pop-up should appear. After adjusting those settings, click Next again. On the final screen, you can choose which page you want this form to display on, or copy the embed code if you plan to insert it into your own site manually. And that's it. Your GetResponse form is now created and ready to use.